Class example 3.45. If log base 2 of 3 is equal to a, and log base 2 of 5 is equal to b, express each of the following in terms of a and b. So in these questions, what we want to do is rewrite the given expression using the key that was given in the question. And what I mean by that is, if I can rewrite log base 2 of 720 to involve log base 2 of 3 or log base 2 of 5, then I can replace that with either an a or a b. So what we can do here, since we know that the bases are the same for all of them, then if I can just rewrite this 720 in terms of 3 and 5, I can separate that out like we did in other examples. So what we want to do is rewrite 720 as multiples of 3 and 5. So we can just start dividing by 3 and 5. Doesn't matter which order. And we don't have to concern ourselves with dividing by other numbers because we want it to be 3 and 5. So 720 divided by 3 is 240, so it goes in evenly. And then 240 divided by 3 is 80. And then 80 divided by 5 is 16. So what that means is we can rewrite log base 2 of 720 as log base 2 of 3 squared times 5 times 16. And we'll show you what to do with that 16 in the end. So now for step 2, we're going to use the first log law to split this up into addition of logs. Now, we can actually evaluate what's left here. Log base 2 of 16 is really asking 2 to the power of what is equal to 16? Well, 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So we've simplified that a little. Now we're going to use the third log law to bring that exponent down in front. And now we're going to use our key that was given in the original question. We're going to substitute given expressions for log base 2 of 3 and log base 2 of 5. So log base 2 of 3, we know is really a. And log base 2 of 5, well, that's really b. So this expression can just be written as 2 times a plus b plus 4. So now let's try b. First thing we're going to want to do, however, is rewrite that square root on square root of 8 as 8 to the power of a half instead. Now we're going to rewrite 75 as multiples of 3 and 5. So 75 divided by 5 is 15, and then 15 divided by 5 is 3. So that 75 can be written as 5 squared times 3. Now we'll split it up. So remember, anything in the numerator is going to be positive when we expand it into its individual log terms, and anything in the denominator will be negative. So this one isn't quite as obvious as the last time we had to do this in part A, but we can write this with the same bases. So base 2, we can rewrite our 8 as base 2, 2 to the power of 3. And then we can, if we're going a power to a power, then we multiply those exponents. Now that we have the same bases, we can set our exponents equal to each other. So in this case, x is equal to 3 over 2. Now using the third log law again, we're going to move our exponent down to the front of the log. And then substitute in given expressions for log base 2 of 3 and log base 2 of 5.